In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Windows 11. This process allows you to personalize your computer experience by selecting fonts that suit your style. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to achieve this. First, press the Windows key and the letter I simultaneously. This action opens the settings window on your screen. The settings menu is where you manage most of your computer's configurations. It is essential to access this area because it gives you control over various personalization options, including fonts. You will see many settings categories appear, and this is the starting point for changing your font. Next, navigate to Personalization in the left sidebar and click Fonts on the right side. The Personalization section allows you to customize your Windows experience. By clicking on Fonts, you'll open a new window displaying all the fonts available on your system. This step is crucial because it lets you see all the font options you can use. Once you are in this section, you can easily browse through different styles and types of fonts. Now, scroll through the available fonts and click on the one you want to use. Your screen will display a list of fonts, each with a preview. This visual aspect is vital as it allows you to see how each font looks before making a selection. You can spend some time here to find the perfect match for your needs. Once you click on your chosen font, it will lead you to more details about it, confirming your selection. Look at the top metadata section and note the exact text listed under full name, such as Arial or Comic Sans MS. This step is important because you need the precise name of the font for later use. The full name is what you will input into the registry code, so getting it right is crucial. Take your time to ensure that you have noted it correctly before moving on. After that, open the Start menu, type Notepad, and launch the app. Notepad is a simple text editor that comes pre-installed on Windows. It is perfect for this task because it allows you to create and edit text files without any additional formatting. Once you have Notepad open, you will have a blank document ready for the next steps. This straightforward interface is great for ensuring that you focus solely on the task at hand. Now, copy and paste the exact block of registry code provided in the guide into your blank Notepad document. This block of code will help you change the font across your Windows system. It may look technical, but it is simply a series of commands that the system will understand. Pasting this code correctly is crucial because it sets the foundation for your font change. Next, replace your font name in the last line with the font name you copied earlier, ensuring you keep the quotes. This customization is essential because it specifies which font you want to apply. Failing to replace this correctly could result in an error or not achieving the desired font change. Double-check this line to ensure accuracy before proceeding. In Notepad, click File, then Save As. This action opens a dialog box where you can specify how you want to save your document. Saving it correctly is vital for the next steps to work seamlessly. It ensures that the system recognizes it as a registry file when you apply it. Choose your desktop as the location, set Save as Type to all files, and name the file changefont.reg. The reg extension is critical because it tells Windows that this file contains registry modifications. This step is essential for applying your font changes successfully. Make sure to follow these instructions closely to avoid issues later. Click Save. Once you click this button, your file will be created on your desktop. You will see it appear, confirming that the file is ready for the next step. This action ensures that your changes are now saved and ready to be implemented. Now double-click Change Font, Reg on your desktop, and click Yes on both security prompts to apply the changes. By doing this, you are allowing the registry modifications to take effect. These prompts are there to ensure that you are aware of the changes being made to your system. It's important to follow through with these confirmations to complete the process. Finally, restart your PC to apply the new font across Windows 11. Restarting ensures that all changes are properly implemented and that you can see your new font in action. This simple step wraps up the process and confirms that your personalization is complete. Enjoy your newly customized Windows experience.